Are you saying hi to Grandma? Are you talking? Are you talking, Keegan? Keegan, are you talking? Yeah. You're getting to be a big boy. My goodness, what a big, long boy you are. Such a big boy. Can you say hi again? Yeah? Can you say hi? Can you smile for Grandma? Yeah? Come on. Keegan, give a smile. Come on, Keegan. Can you give Grandma a smile? Are you hungry again? You hungry?